Hi, this is Victor Morganti from Fact Engine. Today we'll be looking at how to use the ORM reading editor or the FactTime reading editor in the Boston conceptual modeling software. So in front of us we've got a making of a object role model with a entity type person and a value type name, and we're going to be setting up two fact types, one with the predicate person has first name and one with the predicate person has last name, using the fact type reading editor. So let's drag over a binary fact type onto our page and set up the links for the roles of that fact type. So notice that it doesn't currently have any predicate. So down in the ORM reading editor we can see that we've selected the fact type, so you've got to click on the fact type to select it and to set up predicates for that fact type. And then you just simply type in the predicate in the text box at the top of the toolbox. So we're going to say person has first. Now this is called pre-bound reading text. So you put the pre-bound reading text followed by a hyphen, and then you can use the autocomplete if you just push down with the mouse key and hit the spacebar to automatically select name. So we've created the predicate and we'll hit enter, and we're going to change the name of the fact type to person has first name, so we're going to say yes to that. And so we have the predicate down below, person has first name, and we can read now in our object role model person has first name. Let's give that an internal uniqueness constraint to tidy things up, and we've created our first predicate. So let's do that again for person has last name. So select the fact type, go down to the ORM reading editor, and we'll say person has last, so put our pre-bound reading text and name and hit enter on that, and this time we're not going to change the name. Oh yes, we are. We're going to change the name of the fact type to person has last name. So we've set up two fact types with their predicates using the fact type reading editor. You can also set up the reverse reading. So let's select person as first name and go down to the reading editor and say first name is for person, and hit enter on that, and if I click on that it'll tidy it up a little bit. So person has first name and first name is for person. So that's how to use the ORM reading editor. It's relatively straightforward and easy. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.